Good morning, students. It's me, Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to deal with GK. Okay, everyone open chapter 31 numerical ability. Insert the missing numbers in the following figure. That's what we are going to do. Okay. First one 6, 10, 18, 34, 66 is given. Only one number is not given. We have to find. Okay. In this, they have used only a very small, interesting trick. Okay, if you just listen keenly, you will easily understand. Okay, what is the difference between these two? 6 and 10. 4 is the difference. Add 6 plus 4. What answer you will get is 10. Okay, then from 10 to 18, what is the difference? 8 difference. Okay, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. And then what is the difference between 18 and 34? Actually it is 16 difference. If you add 16 with this 18, you will get 34. It is like 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. That is the concept, like fourth table. Okay, if you want to add fourth table with each and every number which is given over here. Okay, I will write and show in a paper. You see that and write so that you will easily you see that so that you will easily understand. Finally write the answer over here. See, 6 adding 6, adding 4 plus 6, you will get 10. Next, with 10 if you add 8, you will get 18. With 18 if you add 16, you will get 34. With 34 if you add 32, you will get 66. With 66 if you add 64, you will get 130. See the table, which table you are adding with the given number. Fourth table, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. That's the concept. Okay, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 16, 34. 34 plus 32, 66. 66 plus 64, 130. So the answer is 130, 130. Okay, we'll go for the second one. Second one is also very simple only. First, they have added all these numbers. We too will add. Okay, see, 26 plus 24 plus 18 plus 4 plus 18. So what will be the answer if you add totally? The answer is 90. So what will be the next one? You add and see so that you will easily understand. 15 plus 7 plus 12 plus 2. Finally one number is missing. 15 plus 7 plus 12 plus 2. Finally one number is missing. If you add that missing number, if you find and add that missing number, what answer you will get? What answer you will get is 45. You should get 45 because the first diagram and the second diagram's difference is divide by 2. The total of first diagram divide by 2 is the total of second diagram. The total of first diagram is 90. 90 divide by 2 is 45. So what number you should have added is 9 you should have added. So the answer is 9. Okay. If you feel little bit confusing, no issue. Stop the video. Just scroll little before. And here once again you will easily understand. Okay, the total of the first diagram divide by 2 is the answer for the second diagram. Okay, if you want to get the divide by 2 answer, for example, if you want to get 45, what number you should add here? 9 you should add here. Okay, that is the answer. So 9 is the answer. We'll go for the third one. Third sum is also very easy, students. We'll see. Okay, here also fourth table only they have used. 2 plus 4. The answer what you will get is 6. Here 2 is given, right? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 plus 8 is equal to 8. Fourth table I told no. 4 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. 30 plus 32 is equal to 62. So the answer is 62. You see here, you will easily understand. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. 30 plus 32 is equal to 62. That's all. Okay. Next, fourth sum. Okay, this is also easy only. Okay, we'll see. Here third table they have used. Till now fourth table they used. Here third table they have used. That's all. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 3, 108. That's what you will get. So the same only here. What into 3 is equal to 15? Obviously 5 into 3 is equal to 15, right? So answer is 5. That's all. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 3, 45. 45 into 3, 135. Okay, I'll show in a paper once you see. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 into 3, 36. 36 into 3, 108. Which is in this first box. Second box. This is what our answer is. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 is the answer. 15 into 3, 45. 45 into 3, 135. Now you refer this, you can easily understand. Okay. Okay. Multiple of 3 is the answer. So what into multiple of 3 you will get 15? 5. So 5 is the answer. 5. That's all. Okay. We'll go for the next question. This is a small trick, students. This fifth question. Head value both the sides same only. So our answer will be 66. I will say why. See, hand and leg value only they have changed. How they have changed? You see here 1 2. Here 2 1. In hand it is 1 2. In leg it is 2 1. 7 2. 2 7. That's all. Small trick they have used just to confuse us. This side you see 1 3. 3 1. 6 4 4 6. That's all. Numbers you see 1 3 3 1 changed and they wrote everything. So here if you change here, nothing to change. 6 6 6 6. Head value is same, body value is changed. That's all. That is a small trick. Okay. Okay, no need to go deep inside this. So the answer is 66 right in this box. That's all. That's all. Okay, this chapter is over. We'll go for the next chapter. Chapter number 32. Okay. In which year, first question, in which year was the first Wimbledon champion held? Answer is 1877. Okay, tick in that box. Second one, when did the men's double and women's single event begin? 1884. Third one, name the youngest woman and the youngest man to win a Wimbledon single title. Charlotte Dodd and Boris Becher. Okay. Fourth one. Which are the 4 Grand Slam tennis tournaments? US Open, French Open, Wimbledon, Australian Open. Okay. Fifth one. Who has the maximum Grand Slam titles? Margaret Court. Okay. Sixth one. How is the Wimbledon court different from that of the other 3 Grand Slams? It is a grass court. It is a grass court. That's all. It will be full of grass. It's a grass court. That's all. Okay. Seventh one. Who has the maximum number of Wimbledon singles title? Martina Navratilova. Okay. Eighth one. Who was the first Indian to win junior Wimbledon title? Ramanathan Krishnan. Okay, that's all. This unit is over. We'll go for the next unit. Chapter number 33. Asian Games. Okay. First one. Which was the first Indian country to hold the Asian Games? It is India. India was the first Indian country to hold the Asian Games. Option C. Options will be given down. Okay. Refer this and write it correctly. Option C. Write the option C in that box. In this box you write option C. Okay. Next one. Name the famous person who assigned the name Asian Game. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D. In the box you write option D. Here it is not necessary. If you want you can write. It is for your understanding. But here you write the options alone. Okay. Option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Next one. Third one. What is the motto of Asian Games? Option A. Ever onward. Option A. Ever onward. Fourth one. What is the symbol of Asian Game? Option H. Bright full rising sun. Fifth one. How many countries and contestants participated in the first Asiad? Answer is option B. 11 countries and around 500 participants. Sixth one. At which Asian game was Kabaddi introduced as a medal sport? Option E. Beijing Asiad 1990. Okay. Next question. Seventh one. At which Asian game was golf included for the first time? Option F. New Delhi Asiad 1982. Eighth question. Name the host of the 18th Asian Games. Indonesia. Option G. Indonesia. That's all students. This unit is over. Okay students, for this class this is enough. These 3 chapters are enough. By the next class, we will see the next chapter. Okay, that's all, students. Take care. Have a nice day. And what you're supposed to do actually, you are supposed to take the photocopy of what. And what is your actual homework? It is learn 31, 32, and 33 chapter of GK book. That's all. Okay, students. That's all. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.